20x your meta ad results by doing this. Number 1. Define your goal for the campaign. Number 2. Test great images and videos as creatives. Number 3. Have a creative strategy. Number 4. Test compelling copies. Number 5. Test different interests. Number 6. Continuously monitor, analyze and optimize to improve performance. Number 7. Increase conversion rate in your landing page or your website. Number 8. Do retargeting campaigns. Number 9. Leverage social proof. Number 10. Scale campaign or ad sets with healthy ROAS. Number 11. Work with a professional or an ad agency. Getting 20x ROAS on Meta is not an easy job. It will depend on the product, what price the product is, the demand of the product, the availability of the product from your competition, how well people know your brand, the conversion rate of your website or landing page. Do not be disappointed if you don't get these ROAS. Instead, have a realistic expectations. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Follow to learn more on Meta Ads.